So next week, Black Panther Wakanda Forever comes out, and in honor of that, I am going to be creating a Blender tutorial on how to recreate the end credits scene from the first movie. I remember after I saw the first movie, I just sat in the theater and watched the end credits with amazement because I thought that they were so cool. I thought that the particle effects, the bloom, and the grain effect on all of the 3D models was so enticing to me, and I decided to investigate how to do that. I did some experiments, and I think I have a way for you to replicate it without doing too much work. So subscribe and be ready for some epic cinematic tutorial content next week on Friday. But until then, I'm going to point you in the direction of some hidden Blender gems. I also can't refrain from mentioning the sheer number of YouTube channels and tutorials that are available for free online to learn Blender. So at the end of the video, I'm going to name a ton of those, so stick around to the end to see if there's a few that you don't know. But first, let's cover the top 5 Blender channels that I think are less known but have amazing content that will up your Blender game. Hopefully you don't know these channels yet. If you do, that's great for you, and I hope that this still helps because maybe it's a good refresher. The first amazing creator is Aria Faith Jones. She has some amazing YouTube content that covers how to create loops, but not just any loop, but how to loop cloth simulations with geometry nodes, as well as many other videos that cover other types of simulations, as well as advanced setups with geometry nodes that will definitely take your work to the next level. The second YouTube channel is a creator named Christopher Fraser. Fraser was an encounter on YouTube while I was researching how to create planets in 3D, and I ended up settling in something in Unreal Engine, but his methods of creating planets in Blender is phenomenal and is as good as what I was doing in Unreal. He also covers many things on performance, texturing, and he gives some really good lighting tips, especially custom IES lights that you can create in your living room. So super useful, don't sleep on him, super amazing. The next YouTube channel you should follow is Clever Polly. He was recently shouted out by Ducky3D, and I checked out his channel and was quite amazed with the amount of content that he has and the quality that he's creating it at. Although he only has 3,000 or 3,500 subscribers, he is doing really well. He mostly covers geometry nodes, effects, simulations, and the fact that Ducky3D used his techniques really says something about his ability to create things well in Blender. The fourth one is one of my favorite creators on YouTube. I discovered him on Instagram back when NFTs were really the big hype, and I encountered some of his environment art. So James Trolley works for NASA, but on the side, he creates environments and dreamscape worlds in an amazing render quality. James has been featured on NVIDIA Studio multiple times on their YouTube channel and has done some amazing tutorials in both places. Don't just check out his YouTube channel, but also check the NVIDIA Studio YouTube channel, because NVIDIA Studio has a ton of things from him as well, and they're all very detailed, thorough, has a lot of tips and tricks, as well as points you to really good plugins that can help up the quality of your renders really quickly. Last of all, the fifth, also one of my top favorite new upcoming creators, is Smeef. I don't know the real name of this guy, but he is funny, really good at editing, and really knows how to keep viewer engagement. That's not to say that his tutorials aren't great though. His tutorials are concise, fast, and have tons of actionable tips that allow you to get started immediately without having to go too deep into a scene or project to get them done. But if you put all of the pieces that he presents to you in each of his videos, you'll have a massive amount of knowledge that you've accumulated from his videos that when put together can create really high quality animations, videos, and renders in Blender. That was a lot of blenders and renders. But anyways, I think that he's also really good because he knows how to use viewer engagement. If you just want to go down the Blender YouTube rabbit hole, he's perfect for it because he has the perfect cliffhangers that go right into his next video. Check him out. I really like his YouTube channel, and he's got some amazing stuff coming out all the time. The amount of videos that he produces every week blows my mind because he must edit constantly given the number of videos he's produced. So again, those top 5 creators are Aria Faith Jones, Christopher Fraser, Clever Polly, James Trolley, and Smeef. I hope that you enjoy those tutorials that they produce, but don't leave yet. You've almost reached the end of the video. Like I promised, before I leave, I'm going to rapid fire name off a ton of YouTube channels that do amazing Blender content. Some of them are really well known, other ones are growing and doing really well. Pull out my hefty list here. Get ready, because I'm gonna go fast. We got Blender, Blender Studio, Bad Normals, Blender Daily, Blender Guru, Blender Guppy, Blender Bob. Blender Bob has some amazing tutorials, by the way, that go into much more depth on industry standard things that most channels don't. Baco Seal, 80 Burrows, Ask NK, CG Cookie, CG Geek, CG Boost, CG Masters. Whew. That's a lot of CGs. Crossmind Studios, Derek Elliott, Ducky3D, Decoded, Deduze. If you want to learn how to use grease pencil, Deduze is an amazing one to follow. And Tagma, wait, what? And Tagma makes Blender tutorials too? Yes, they do. And they're amazing. Wow. That's pretty cool. Anyways, Gleb Alexandrov, Ian Hubert, I love his 1-minute tutorials. Shalix Rosa, Kevin Dram, also another amazing grease pencil artist, Lane Wallace, Holly Ford, Peter France, and William Langren, who is probably the youngest Blender creator I've ever heard of. Whew. That's a mouthful, but it's still amazing to consider the amount of tutorials and YouTube resources that are available to you from generous creators that are willing to just give that away for free. Now, noted there are a ton of these creators that also have Patreons that go into way more depth and can really delve into the advanced sides of Blender. But if you're just getting started, any of these channels should be good. I should have all of them linked in the description. And if you know of any other really good Blender tutorials or channels that I haven't mentioned in this video for beginners and intermediate users, please drop them in the comments below and let us know, because really we're here to grow a community and help people find resources and learn Blender, because it took me a very long time to learn Blender and I was pretty disappointed with myself at the start. As I've gotten older and I've practiced a lot more, I'm much faster learning things, but I regret not dedicating more time, and I wish I'd had somebody that would have given me some resources and a good place to start. So I'm doing that for you guys. I hope you have an amazing weekend. Until next week with our Black Panther tutorial, create more than you consume.